guys, so today this Southwest Boulder and Stone Premium Pebble, which is half cubic feet, so I'm gonna wash of this, and then these are my purpose. This is the reason why I've got this. So I'm gonna utilize them as like pebbles like this, and then I'll put water. So these plants will be moist. They need a lot of moisture. So okay, so let's continue. So this is a Pitonia, which is $6.98. I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 from Home Depot. So I want to take them out from this container. I'm gonna put it on another saucer. This one is my favorite because the red purple, I gave it to my sister. She likes it. This is $7.98 peperomia from Armstrong Garden Center, which I got yesterday on my birthday. Plus these two. This one and this one looks similar. So let's see. It's also Pitonia. Also, this one is also a kind of Pitonia. Alright guys, so I'm gonna open this pebble. And then I'm gonna pour some here. Alright guys, I'm inside the house, in the kitchen, in the sink. So I'm washing these pebbles. See that? See the color of the water. Now I'm straining it, and this is strainer. I'm just using cold water. Wash it and it's ready to use. Let's go outside again. So guys, all these plants needs the soil to be moist, even the plants. So every morning I used to spray them with water, and they need bright sunlight, not direct sunlight, but just bright sunlight. How to know if they need water? So right now this one is so heavy, the pot is so heavy, so it doesn't need water. She just need spray of water plus the peperomia. Okay, so now this one is also ruby lime Pitonia, $3.99. Still heavy. I got it just yesterday. Well, this one is a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna water this. Give a sip of water. So I'm gonna use this. I have 4 more plants here. This is Pitonia, $6.98. I've got this in Home Depot. Also, this one is Pitonia, another Pitonia, and another Pitonia. They're just decorative pot, which is, if I take this out like this, I'm gonna put these pebbles on this terracotta saucer. But before that, I wash it very well and let it dry. My manicure created by Kilani, my grannies. Alright, so it's like that. And then I will pour water. This is Pitonia. And put it on the top here to keep them moist and increase the humidity so they won't dry up. So once the pebbles is dried up, I need to pour water around it and then keep misting the plants to increase the humidity. Thank you.